One of the first things that we did when we started this tutorial is to create a couple cameras. I'd like to spend some more time on creating cameras and get into more details of creating cameras. We've already used a view like a home view. We also set a viewport at the back of the car for an area that we were working on. Both are valuable assets for working in VRED. Cameras can become an important communication tool when working in VRED. We tumble around looking for a particular aspect of the product, and we want to capture that view. Even more, by fine adjustment and working with the camera controls, that view becomes a picture that you can share with your team or render for the next glamour shot of your product. Therefore, cameras are often used to set emotion for our product. I just set up a front left view. I wish to start adjusting the properties of the camera, and we'll start with the field of view. First, I want to be in the dolly zoom mode, which is set by clicking the corner of the model to set the dolly location, and then enable the dolly zoom switch. By setting this mode, our camera maintains a consistent distance from the corner of the model as the field of view is adjusted. Depth of field provides an area in an image where the image looks in focus. The focus point is changed by clicking on the model. The larger the camera's f-stop, the greater the distance where the image will be sharp. This feature requires that you're in ray tracing mode. As we wait for ray tracing to give us more detail, we're going to see that the backside of the car becomes less and less in focus. By using downscale, I get better responsiveness as I'm rotating around the vehicle. I'm going to switch to 5.6 so that there's less focus effects. Now let me recapture the front left camera. Next, I want to find an angle from the backside of the car. With this camera, I don't want to have a depth of field, so I'm going to turn that off. And I want to adjust the field of view. Now that my camera is set, let me capture it. I can now easily switch between any of the camera views. I can also use the play button to automatically switch between the camera views.